Welcome to Brainwave Academy. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to solve the root of this equation. The question says, find the square root of what? 7 plus 2 root 10. As we are in a y question, this is y question, how can we solve it? What you are going to do is that say let the root of the equation of the expression be root of n plus root of n, then all square. So we are going to equate this to this, which means we have root of n plus root of n all square is equal to, then we equate it to this, which is equal to 7 plus 2 root what? 10. We are going to expand this one because it's actually mean root of n plus root of n, then root of n plus root of n is equal to 7 plus 2 root what? 10. What is the next thing is to actually what? Expand the brackets. This is root n, open bracket, then I'll put all this, which is root of n plus root of n. I've used root n here, what is remaining? Plus root of n, open bracket, root of n plus what? Root of what? N. Is equal to, then equate it to the 7 plus 2 root what? 10. The next thing is root n to multiply by root what? N, which is root n squared, plus root n multiplied by what? Root n, that is root nn, plus root n multiplied by root n, which is root nn, plus times plus is plus, root n times root n, which is root n squared, is equals to 7 plus 2 root what? 10. Now this square will cancel the square root, this square will cancel the square root. We now have n plus root of nn plus root of n, that is 2 root of nn, plus n is equals to 7 plus 2 root what? 10. This is the one that doesn't have root. We take it to this side. We have n plus 2 root what? nn is equals to 7 plus 2 root what? 10. The next thing is that if you look at it, this one doesn't have root, this one have root. Likewise, this right hand side, this one doesn't have root, this one have root. What am I going to do? I will equate this one to this as equation 1 and equate this one to this as equation 2. Which means that I have m plus n is equal to 7. Equation 1. Then we now have 2 roots. M and n is equal to 2 root what? 10. 2 cancel 2, which means that we have root of m and n is equal to 10. Root what? 10. Then squaring both sides. We square both sides, this cancel this, then this cancel this. We have mn is equal to 10. Equation 2. So we have equation 1, we also have equation 2. Now from equation 1, you can either make n the square formula or make n the square formula. From equation 1, make n the subject of the formula. If you make it the square formula, we have m plus n is equal to 7, which implies that n is equal to 7 minus n. So anywhere I see what n here, I'll put what 7 minus n. Equation 2 says that what nn is equal to 10. n is what? 7 minus n into bracket another n is equal to 10. 7 times n we have 7n minus n times n we have n squared is equal to 10. Which is the same thing as minus n squared plus 7n is equal to 10. Then we now have minus n squared plus n plus 7n minus 10 is equal to 0. It has changed to quadratic equation. So we have changed to quadratic equation. So the next thing is that we have what what we have is minus n squared plus 7n minus 10 is equal to 0. I don't want the first value to have minus. I'll divide everything by minus, minus cancel minus. This one will change, the sign, all the sign will change. Minus cancel minus, we have n squared, plus divided by minus, we have minus 7n, minus divided by minus, we have plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the main equation we have here now. So we now factorize this. Here we have this 1 and 1. Here we have 5 and 2. We cross multiply. 5 times 1 we have 5. 2 times 1 we have 2. Then we need minus 7, not what? 7, which is minus 5 and minus 7 is the minus 2 is the factors. Because minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Minus 5 times minus 2 we have 10. Which means we have n squared. Instead of 7 we have minus 5n minus 2n plus 10 is equal to 0. When we group it into 2. If we group it into 2, n is common here. Open bracket n minus 5. What is the weight of n here? Minus 2, open bracket n, minus times minus we have minus times plus we have minus 10 divided by 2 we have 5 is equal to 0. We now have n minus 2, I'll pick this one, n minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we now have n minus 2 is equal to 0 or n minus 5 is equal to 0. We have n is equal to 0 plus 2 or n is equal to 0 plus 5, which means that n is equal to 2 or 5. This is not my answer because we're actually looking for roots, which means the final answer is root of, the final answer is root of what? 2, because I'll take the root of what I have, because I squared before, plus root of 5, in bracket, then it occurs twice. It's going to be twice, because it's quadratic equation twice. This is the final answer. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button for my next video. Thank you and peace out.